Prepositions of movement help us describe how things move from one place to another. Today we learn about around. Around shows movement in a circle or along the outside edge of something. Walk around the lake means going all the way around it, not through it or across it. Around describes moving in a circle or on the outside edge of something. Walk around the park means going all the way around the park. Drive around the block means making a complete circle around the city block. The movement stays on the outside, never cutting through the middle. Around means moving in a circle or on the outside edge of something. Imagine a person walking the complete circle around a tree or building. The path never goes through the object, always stays outside following the circular shape. This makes around different from across or through. They walked around the city exploring means they followed the outside paths. The dog ran around the yard happily shows circular movement in the yard area. We drove around the mountain road follows the curved road encircling the mountain. Children sat around the table shows positioning around the outside edge. Around creates a circular path on the outside edge. The person starts from one side and follows the complete circle back around. This path touches all sides of the object but never goes through the center. The movement forms a loop around the entire shape. Practice using around in sentences. The children played blank the playground. She walked blank the museum. We drove blank town looking for a shop. Think about circular movement on the outside edge. Around fits perfectly in each blank space. Here are the correct answers. The children played around the playground. She walked around the museum. We drove around town looking for a shop. Each sentence shows circular movement on the outside edge of the place mentioned. Remember, around equals circular movement on the outside edge of something. Use around when someone or something moves in a complete circle around an object or place. This preposition helps describe loop movements clearly and correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.